Good morning everyone, myself Arsha Anjum. In our previous class, we have discussed about the partnership fundamental theory concept. In this class, we are going to discuss about the practical aspect of the partnership fundamental. So, in this practical aspect, firstly we will going to start with the calculation of interest on drawing. So, interest on drawing, that is, drawing is nothing but a certain sum of money which is withdrawn by the partner from his capital contributed. Okay. Now, let us see the calculation of interest on drawing. On that, the company will be going to give the interest. Okay, we have two methods: product method, average period method. For the product method and the average period method, interest on drawing can be calculated in the three ways: beginning of every month, middle of every month, end of every month. Okay, so as we know that we have 12 months for a year. Is it right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, 12 months, right? For the beginning of every month is nothing but the first of every month. First date. On first we will going to withdraw. For that we will say it as the beginning of every month. Middle of every month, 15th. Middle of every month, that is nothing but 15th. End of every month, 30th or 31st. Okay, end of every month. Now, before going to start the product method, we have to know what is this product. Product is nothing but the total amount of drawing of a partner is set as the product under this. Okay, under the product method, what we will do means each amount of drawing is multiplied. Each amount of drawing is multiplied by its duration. Each amount here, what the partner will do, he will withdraw 500 rupees. Take an example that he will be going to withdraw 500 rupees, that is an uniform amount. Uniform amount every month. Okay, 500 rupees is withdrawing by the partner every month, that is starting from January to December. Okay, how many months will come? 12 months, right? For this amount, what we'll say? We'll say the product. For this total amount of 12 months, we'll say as the total products. Okay, it is multiplied by its duration. Okay, we will multiply for the months. Understanding? We will multiply for the months here. That is said as the product method. Under this method, each amount of drawing is multiplied by its duration. Multiplied by its duration. It can be done with the help of formula: interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate into 1 by 12. Rate is nothing but interest rate. Understanding? When we come to the problems now, you will totally understand this. If you concentrate fully here, within a second you can solve the problem. Okay, this type of questions can be asked in your examination. Okay, now let us come to the problem. Okay, so in this, before going to start the problem of calculation of interest on drawing under the product method, we should know certain things. Okay, let us have a glance of once a question. Later we'll discuss about that. Ramesh and Rakesh are the partners. Okay, there are two partners. Who are those? Ramesh and Rakesh are the partners, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Ramesh withdraws rupees 800 every month for the 6 months year end, that is 6 months ending 30th 9 2019. Calculate interest on drawing at 8% per annum. Now this is the problem that is given in the textbook. Now you have to understand certain few things before going to solve the solution. Okay, now let us see what are those things. In the partnership business, always we will be having two or more partners. It should be more than two partners, right? Who are the partners here? Ramesh and Rakesh. They are the two partners, right? So Ramesh and Rakesh are the partners, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. As I said that in the previous class, always the profit and losses should be shared according to the ratio if they have the partnership deed. Okay, if they don't have any partnership deed, they have to share how? Equally, right? Equally, that is 1:1. But in the problem they have given 3:2. 3:2 is given. Okay, now Ramesh withdraws rupees 800 every month. Who is Ramesh? Ramesh is this person, right? He is withdrawing how much? 800 rupees every month. Okay, for 6 months. For how many months he is withdrawing? 6 months. Okay, 6 months ending 30th 9 2019. Up to where? Up to the September he is withdrawing, right? Now you have to know that what is the financial year of the business. For the business there will be one financial year, right? Financial year. So what is that financial year? 1st April to 31st March. 1st April to 31st March will be the financial year for every business, right? Now what is the starting period of the withdrawing of the amount? Now here it is 1st April. Starting from 1/4/2019 to 6 months itself. So April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months, no? Up to September 30th 9 2019. He is withdrawing how much rupees? 800. This is the basic information which you should know. Okay. So what is the financial year for every business? From 1st April to 31st March. 1st April 1/4/2019 to 30th 9 2019 he is withdrawing how much? Rupees 800 rupees, uniform amount. Now we should calculate the interest. What is the rate of interest? 8% per annum, means yearly. Now we have to calculate the interest on drawing. For this information, Now we have to take the 4 columns. Calculation of interest on drawing we have to take how many columns? 4 columns. Okay. First is date. On what date he is drawing the amount? First is date column. Okay. The next one you have is amount of drawing. Next, outstanding months. Next, we will get the product. Understanding for the calculation of interest on drawing, we have the under the product method. Firstly, we have to take the 4 columns. Date, on which date he is withdrawing. If nothing is given in the problem, okay, it is understood that you are withdrawing at the beginning of every month. Okay, as I have discussed in the earlier itself, previously I said that 3 bases we will withdraw the amount. One is beginning of every month, middle of every month, and at the end of every month. Okay, calculation of interest on drawing, if nothing is given, it is assumed as at beginning of every month. At the beginning of every month. So what is the financial year? 1/4/2019. For 2019 he is withdrawing, right? For up to how many months? 6 months. So 1/4 April, starting from April, that should be considered. April. Next 1/5/2019, 1/6/2019, 1/7/2019, 1/8/2019, 1/9/2019. At the beginning of every month, it is assumed that if it is not given in the problem, beginning, middle or end, it is assumed that beginning of every month. Okay, 1/4/2019, 1/5/2019, 1/6/2019, 1/7/2019, 1/8/2019, 1/9/2019. The what is the amount of withdrawing? How much amount is withdrawn by the partner? That is 800, uniform amount. 800 uniform months, same amount. 800 is withdrawn by the partners. Okay, outstanding months. Listen here. For the outstanding months, you have to consider, remember one thing, that is beginning of every month means here, from here you should start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like that. If it is the end of every month, you will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if it is the middle of every month, 15th of every month means 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, like that you will consider. Okay, now it is the beginning of every month, right? in the ninth. Consider here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For how many months he is withdrawing? 6 months. Okay, that is uniform amount from starting April to September. Okay, in order to get the product, what we have to do? We have to multiply by its duration. What is the duration here? 6 months. So 800 into 6 months, that is 4800. Understanding? Multiply this 800 into 6, 4800. The next is 800 into 5, 4000. Next 800 into 4, 3200. Next 800 into 3, 2400. Next 800 into 2, 1600. 800 into 1, that is 800. We got the products now. Understanding? Outstanding dates, first you have to take starting from financial year to up to whatever date that is given in the problem. Okay, amount withdrawn, uniform amount, outstanding months. For the beginning of every month, you have to start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is the end of every month, that is 30th, 36 months, like that, you have to start from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Next, product. How we will get the product? Multiply the amount of drawing with its duration, 4800. Like that, you will get the product. Now, what you have to do is add this total products. You have to add the total products. Total products 16,800 will come if you do this total. Understanding? Understood? Now next, what you have to do for the product method? You have to apply the apply the formula now. Okay, what is the formula for the total product? Interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate divided by 100 into 1 by 12. Okay, what is the total product that we got? 16,800. Right, total product is how much? 16,800. What is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 8% per annum. So 8 divided by 100 into 1 divided by 12 into 1 divided by 12. You have to calculate this now. 16,800 into 8 divided by 100 into 1 divided by 12. How much? You will get 1,344 divided by 12. Okay, that is nothing but 112. Interest on drawing is 112. Understood? Now we will glance once this First you have to calculation of interest on drawing when at the beginning of every month is given, nothing is given in the problem. It is understood that you have to do at the beginning of every month. Okay, date, amount of drawing, outstanding months, product. Date, what is the financial year of this month, financial year of the business? 1st April, right? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Why 19 we have stock means 6 months ending 30th 9 2019. Up to there only we have to take. What is the amount of withdrawing? 800. Take 800 as the uniform amount. Next, outstanding months. What are the outstanding months? For the beginning of every period you have to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 months. Okay. So if it is end of every month, you have to start from 0. If it is middle, you have to start from 0.5. Okay, product. How you will get the product? By multiplying this with the outstanding duration. Okay, you will get the total product if you add this. Apply the formula, you will get the answer for the interest on drawing. Okay, I hope you have understand this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comments. So I'll reply you back. I'll try to understand you in the best way. Again, once more time. So in the next class, we'll be discussing again with related to this product method itself. The next we'll discuss 2 or more problems on this. So if you have doubt, please ask me in the comment box. So don't forget to subscribe our channel in order to get the videos which are related to the next topics. Thank you.